guys, this is Ron from MathX, and today we're going to be doing number 24 from the first and second grade Math Kangaroo of 2018. Now this problem, in my opinion, does not deserve the place of 24, because when you get down to solving it, sure, it looks really hard at the beginning, but once you get more in depth in it, it becomes really easy to do. But putting that aside, let's get started with the problem. Nellie bought 4 toys in the store. Their costs satisfy the qualities of the 3 R's. I guess you could call these toys R. And this is equal to a B. This is R plus a B equals, I guess, a D for a doll. And then finally a T for teddy bear plus a B for the bunny equals a R plus the G. And we can put that into letter form to make it a little bit easier. So let's just do that real quick. And we've got all of them in letter form. Now we see finally what are the cheapest and most expensive toys in this list. Okay, so to get started with this problem, we'll be doing this equation, because this equation basically will make us solve the equation really fast. So to solve that, we know that 3 R's are equal to a B. So then we can edit that in all the other equations, writing R plus B as actually 4R equals D. And for this one, we can get that T plus B, which is equal to 3R, equals 5R. Because of D is equal to 4R, then the other R, it'll be 5R. And then we got T, because of that, T equals 2R. Now, let's just quickly organize this all quick. Okay, so let's expand this so we can do it easier. And yeah, so let's start off with T. T equals 2R. Next, we can write down, I guess, B. B equals 3R. And finally, we got dolls. So D is equal to 4R. And then finally, we got R. I guess you could just write it as 1R if you want. But let's just write it as R is equal to R. But we can just keep that as R. So then we got R. And we automatically know that R is the cheapest, because it is only 1R. Because the R is equal to R, and it's the one that substitutes for all of these to make it easily. So we know that the answer choices are limited down to now B and E. But we can do this easily. So we know the doll is 4R, which finally gets us as the most expensive toy. So we got the answer for this problem as E, an R for this toy over here, and a D as 4R equivalent. So let's just get this answered, and then we will be done with this problem. So with that all done, you can now have no worries on any Math Kangaroo test when you find out the problem and go into it. So with that done, we are now officially finished.